Hello friends, today we are going to discuss question 47 of SOM series. Before watching this video, make sure that you have watched my earlier videos and make sure you have watched my video on how to find area, that is part 2 of SOM series, because in that video I have explained how to find area. So make sure you have watched that video. So today's question is, find the area of the region above the curve y is equal to x square minus 6x, below y is equal to x, and above y is equal to minus x. So in such question we have to draw the diagram first. So let's draw the diagram. So this is y-axis, this is x-axis, and this is y is equal to x square minus 6x. So when it is y is equal to x square, we draw from origin. But it is minus 6, so we have to start this from minus 6. That here it's minus 6. So this curve will be like this. And we are given other two lines that are y is equal to x. Y is equal to x line is it's passing from origin. And y is equal to minus x. It's passing from first and second and last quadrant. So it is like this. Now what are the other things we are given? The area above the curve, below y is equal to x, below y is equal to x, and above y is equal to minus x. So this is our region. Let's check this equation, that this area. So our area to be found is this. So we have to find this area. In such question, the important step is to know the figure. Once we know the figure, then work become easy. But before that, we must know the diagram. So now let's find the intersecting point. Let's find this point. And okay, I think let's find limit of integration with respect to y-axis. We find, then I think it will be easy. So let's find intersecting point. For this intersecting point, we have to equate this equation. This is y is equal to minus x, and this curve is y is equal to x square minus 6x, and this is y is equal to minus x. So for knowing this point, we have to equate both this equation. So y is equal to minus and y is equal to x square minus 6x. So minus x is equal to x square minus 6x. So bringing x this side, we get x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. So its two factor are x plus 3 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. So we get x is equal to minus 3, x is equal to 2. So here it's x is equal to minus 3. Here it is intersecting with this curve, x is equal to minus 3, and here it is intersecting, x is equal to 2. So this point is 2. Now find this. Let's find this curve, this equation. So when we equate this term, we get, it was plus x. So this we have find the point, this point we have actually find. So this is x is equal to 2. Now let's find this equation. So equating x, y is equal to x, to x square minus 6, we get x square minus 6, x minus 6 is equal to 0. So x will be 3 and minus 2. So here we will get the point 3. And here it was 2, and here it is 0. Let's divide this into two parts, from 0 to 2 and 2 to 3. So area is equal to double integration. We have find the limit of x from 0 to 2 into 1 into dy dx, plus other is from 2 to 3. 1 into dy dx. Now whenever it's dy dx, we used to draw the vertical line. So from 0 to 2, when we draw the vertical line, we can see it's entering from y is equal to minus x and it's leaving from y is equal to plus x. And from 2 to 3, when we draw the vertical line, we can see it's entering from y is equal to x square minus 6 and it's leaving from y is equal to x. Now it's become easy to solve. Now solving this equation, we get area is equal to integral of 0 to 2. Now we have in many sums we have done this thing, so I think I know don't need to write every step. So with respect to integration of 1 with respect to dy is y, its limit are from minus x to x dx, plus 2 to 3. Similarly here also y, its limit are from x square minus 6 to minus x into plus x into dx. So area is equal to, now put the limit, we get upper limit minus lower limit, minus minus plus into dx, plus this is 2 to 3, upper limit x minus lower limit into dx. Now solving this equation, area is equal to, this is integration from 0 to 2 x plus x 2x into dx, plus integration from 2 to 3 x minus x square plus 6 into dx. Now further solving, integrate 2x with respect to dx, so we get 2x square by 2, its limit are from 0 to 2, plus this will be x square by 2 minus x cube by 3 plus 6x, limit are from 2 to 3. I have integrated this term. So area is equal to, 2 will get cancelled. Putting upper limit, we get 2 square minus 0, plus here put the upper limit, so we get 3 square by 2 minus 3 cube by 3 plus 6 into 3 minus lower limit 2 square by 2 minus 2 cube by 3 plus 6 into 2. Now solving this, we get, this is 4 plus this is 3 square 9 by 2 minus 3 will get cancelled, here it will be minus 9 plus 6 into 3 18 minus this will be 2 minus this will be 8 by 3 plus 6 into 2 12. So that is equal to 4 plus 9 by 2. Let's just remove the bracket. So it here will be minus 9 plus 18 will be plus 9 minus 2 plus 8 by 3 and here minus 12. So now solving this, we know 9 plus 4 is 13 and minus 2 minus 12 is minus 14. So 13 minus 14 is minus 1 plus 9 by 2 plus 8 by 3. Now taking the LCM is 6, 3, 2. So that is equal to minus 6 plus 9 into 3 18 plus 8 into 2 16 by 6. So solving this, we get here minus 6, here it will be plus 9 into 3 27, 9 into 3 27 and this minus 6 plus 16 will be 10. So 27 plus 10 by 6. So our final answer is 27 plus 10 by 6, that is equal to 37 by 6. So 37 by 6 is our answer. I hope you understood this question. If you have any doubt, then let me know in the comment section given below. If you really like, then please do like and subscribe to my channel. Also press the notification bell for latest video. Thank you.